the idea of earmarking is to say, look, this is what we're going to do with the money. If you support this, you should support this use, you should support this tax. So, for example, having a value-added tax that's earmarked to healthcare would first of all let people understand that healthcare is expensive, but second, could be marketed as prepayment of your healthcare benefits rather than just a tax. An inheritance tax that funded children's opportunities, equal opportunity for kids, could be packaged as a way to help kids by having rich heirs pay, not just as a way to burden rich heirs. So there are lots of ideas like that, using, soda taxes for public health purposes, using carbon taxes for environmental cleanup. There are lots of ideas where if we could get people to focus on the use of the money, which people generally support, people like education, environment, and social security and healthcare. We could get people to focus on the support and then say, look, we have to pay for this program somehow. We're going to earmark it. I'm no psychologist and no political scientist, but that seems to me like it would be a better, more likely to be a successful path toward tax increases than just saying, hey, we have to raise your taxes.
Yeah. So just, yeah, for those listening, when you're using the word earmark, it's not for a special project earmark, but it's a designated revenue for a certain public purpose.
Yes, yes. Thank you
Just,
for mentioning
just
that.
wanted
That every
to.
time I talk about that comes up, and I forget to say, but we're talking about taking specific taxes and saying these taxes are going to be spent, the revenue from these taxes are going to be spent on these projects, these initiatives.